Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's ready to smash the new week. Let me just stick my camera on so you can see me. Yeah, gold smashing all-time highs. I did catch a little long position, about 60 ticks. Only a half risk. Let me get some music on too. Let me get some music on so we can get this underway. But yeah, I've only caught one little long, and it was like a pre-London Asia move. Let me check the comments really quickly in a second too. But yeah, I hope everyone's ready to crush it. Yeah, guys, let's smash the like, and let's get this started. Let me check the audio too. Yeah, good. Right, I'll check the comments in a sec, guys. I know a few have commented. But yeah, welcome, guys. Right, let's go. Dean, welcome, bro. Vinny, how's it going? I'm good, thanks. Vinny, mate. How are you? Hi, Joe. Just passed my 50k combine for the first time. I've been dreaming and planning this day for some time. Thanks for your insights as well. Now continue with the express to make some dough. 100%. Aaron, insane, bro. That's what we like to hear. You know, free value, 1 to 2 hours per day of free value. And if you can catch something with me, perfect. But yeah, good stuff, guys. Welcome, how's it going? Dean, are you back in the UK? I'm back in the UK in 3 days, sorry. I'm back in the UK on Thursday morning. So yeah, not looking forward to the cold, but it is what it is. I booked my flight yesterday. I'm back in 3 days. But yeah, back to the normal setup, guys, for this on Thursday. I won't be on live for that one day, but I'll try and do live as much as I can over the traveling back home, wherever I am. But we'll see. Stream's healthy. I'll start breaking gold down in a second, guys, and what we've taken. I'm only going to be jumping on for an hour or two. Let me just send out the link to the Telegram, because I know a lot of people see the waiting room. I'll just put I'm live now. Okay, let's go. Delete that. Sounds good. Okay. Load up them comments. Alright, guys. Gold. Can everyone see my screen? Aaron, can I show you your trade? Yeah, I'll show you my trade, mate. All good. I only took about 60 ticks, half risk. But it literally instantly smashed my TP. I didn't really have to manage it much. I just had my TP set at 60 ticks because it was over all-time highs. I didn't expect gold to push any further. But the entry that I had was a 30-minute entry based on the range. I had a level for gold to get back above here. Look, reason being, you can see acting as resistance here. And it closed above multiple levels, did gold, look. We also had a range that we closed above here. But for me, if you look at the 15, this level was absolutely fine. You can see resistance, acting here too as resistance. I was looking for gold to get back above here on the 30, and it did that. It didn't only just get back above, it got back above with a big volume candle. Look at this, that's big volume pushing to the upside. What is gold telling me? After this green closure above this level here, what is gold telling me? It's not telling me that it wants to reverse and sell. It's telling me that it wants to come into the liquidity above here. So that's what I did. I bought into this liquidity to the left. And literally my entry was on this flip here. I know the charts have been bugging on my computer recently, but I had like a 10 tick stop loss. And when I do get this TP correct, 1 second, guys, bear with me whilst my chart's doing some crazy things. But yeah, I had my buy on the flip of this 30-minute candle after a closure above, and I took profits literally on that candle. I had my TP set at like 60 ticks, and it smashed it. Yeah, but yeah, my TP was here. I didn't take any partials. I just had my TP set above, but you know, if I did let like a little runner run, you know, I've got 200 ticks there, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, that was the only one trade that I've taken today, guys. The only one trade, and it was a sniper. No drawdown whatsoever. Really. Maybe like 3 or 4 ticks drawdown, but that's absolutely nothing when we've got, you know, we've got a 12 tick stop there. But it ran like 200 ticks, and I only took about 60. But yeah, that was the entry. And, you know, if you're still running it into them highs, you know, that's like an 18R. 18R trade there. There was a few good entries, though. There was a few good entries. I know a couple of the guys in the community who trade Asia took the long here. Took this long, which is absolutely perfect. You know, you got a range closure, liquidity. Look, that's even running even more. You know, 12 tick stop loss. Insane. And you've also got this entry too. There was about 3 or 4 30, 15 minute entries that you could have taken in any of them. And when I jumped onto the chart, I capitalized on the one. There was like 3 entries there, guys. But like I say, not everybody trades Asia or pre-London. You know, most of the guys in the community trade from like 7:30, 8 o'clock, which is here. And since here, there's not been any positions to be trading. And that's just, it is what it is. Like, if you come onto the chart, don't start changing your times, your trading times, because you see an entry at 5:30 in the morning. No. Because you'll start waking up at 5:30 in the morning and the trades will start happening at 10. Like, trade your set times, stay consistent with it. And over time, you're going to see you'll see 2 or 3 entries at 10 o'clock in the morning happen all week. And then, you know, the week after you might see Asia hot. And then, you know, you'll have different sessions which are hot in the week. For example, London this week might be slow, but Asia and US might be hot, you know, and you'll see that. And you just have to, you know, if your session isn't for that week, you just let it play out. And next week it might be your session. Or next day, you know, you don't even have to, it doesn't have to be weekly. It can be on the day. For example, London hasn't given any entries today and Asia did. You know, tomorrow, Asia might give absolutely nothing, and London and US might be insane. So, like I say, we'll start breaking gold down in a second. I have found that the futures moves better than CDF. What's your opinion on that? You know, like I said, there's been a bit of a difference recently. There's been a bit of a difference with the futures chart and the gold chart, the Xauusd FX spot, gold spot chart. There's been a little bit of a difference, and you know, not always there's a big difference, but sometimes there is. But for me personally, I like the gold Xauusd spot chart. This moves the best for me personally, and most traders who trade gold. You know, you'll be able to find like 10 to 15 traders who trade gold will trade the spot chart. Like, obviously everyone's got different strategies and different concepts, different systems slightly. But most traders who trade gold will trade the Xauusd spot chart. Like I say, if you do trade futures, you can trade futures the same, but you just have to stick to the futures chart. That's my personal opinion. But for me personally, I think the spot Xauusd gold chart moves better. Way cleaner personally. However, if you just trade the futures chart, stick to just the futures. I personally just trade the Xauusd spot chart and not the futures chart, so I stick to this. You know, I've traded this chart for like 7 years. Cheers for the lights, guys. Crushing it 10 already. Nice. Yeah, smash the like, guys. We've got 20 here. Nice. Welcome, everybody. I will start breaking gold down in a second. The 15 has just opened. The 15 has just opened. I will start breaking gold down in a sec, guys. But yeah, I do want to see a few things before anything on gold. I'm only going to be on for an hour today as well. I've jumped on. I'm only going to be on for an hour because I'm traveling back home this week. I need to do a few things. For example, pack all my clothes, move out my apartment, etc. So I've got a few things to do, and I also need to jump on to a member Zoom session today. So that is why I'm only staying for an hour today. You know, I've got to clear out this apartment and move back to the UK, and I also have to do a member Zoom call. So I will be on for another, say, 50 minutes. I will be on for another 50 minutes. Let's see if we can catch something. Yeah, I've just showed the trade. Do you think gold chart is manipulated? What's your downside view and deeper correction? Vinny, I don't tend to look at the gold chart and say we're going to reverse here. Exactly, no. I won't even attempt to look for shorts at all on gold until we start closing below some levels. Right now, looking at this chart on gold, I probably wouldn't even look for shorts for now because price action changes. For example, let's say for now, I'm going to be looking for shorts below here, okay? But let's say in the next couple of hours, gold does something like this. Well, then, yeah, you can look for some pullback shorts below this level. But you can only trade, and I say this to the community members, you can only trade what the chart is showing you at the time. You can't predict so many moves on gold because you're going to get absolutely demolished. If you try to predict on any chart too much, you're going to get demolished, okay? Or you're gonna take a lot of losses trying to you know, predict the next 15 moves, especially on gold. So just trade what the chart is showing you at the time. For example, for now, if we get below this level here, yeah, you can start looking for shorts because the volume's there. But for me right now, I'm not even thinking about shorts. I'm just gonna look for some pullback longs. You know, gold's very bullish. You know, you could probably look for some half risk shorts, potentially below here. Possibly, but then it you know, like I say, it's very bullish gold. The 4 hourly is very bullish. The daily is very bullish. You know, you're trading against that overall bias. You know. But for me, what I'm going to be looking for on gold is some longs. Okay, I'm going to be looking for some longs on gold. So let's see. Overall, gold's obviously bullish, but I am going to be looking for some overall longs. Like the hourly did close bullish, but I'm not going to be looking for any sort of shorts until we at least close below 2,900, this sort of level here, okay? Yeah, I won't be looking for any shorts until we close below here. And even if I do get shorts below here, it'll only be half risk max. Maximum half risk. All right? In terms of longs, I'm just looking for a pullback to go long, okay? Be looking for a pullback first to go long. Guys, if anybody's got any other charts they want me to look at, feel free. Guys, feel free to drop a chart, a pair, any other pairs that they want me to look at. Feel free to drop it in the chat and I'll have a look, okay? I find the close to zero spreads is helping me. Aaron, 100%. Future spreads are great. That's why I use them too. The only reason I actually started trading futures was because of futures prop firms. That's the only reason. I don't trade personal futures. The only reason I trade futures is for prop firm. And that's why I look at this chart here. Because I don't really care what the futures chart's doing. I only use that for the execution of prop firm. You know, if I use it personally, it'll be an FX. It'll be an FX account. But yeah, if anybody trades any other pairs, let me have a look. Let's see what BTC is doing. But BTC, I'm sure BTC were pushing up today. Yeah, it has. It's pushed up. Look at that. BTC is going to sell off again, I think. Yeah, BTC is probably... Bitcoin's probably going to have another sell-off at some point. Weekly, what's the weekly saying? Yeah. Probably have a nice little pullback on Bitcoin. 68,000 maybe. What's that? A nice little 26% push to the downside on Bitcoin. Taking liquidity. Yeah, I'd expect it to continue a bit lower. It doesn't have to do it yet. Like I say, it could come up into more structure like this. Another level, fake it out, and then continue down. We'll see though. XRP. Oh my god, yeah. Look at the guys, look at the TP on XRP. I took profit on XRP here, literally at the top, 3.37, okay? And look at the sell-off after I took profit. It sold off in total 50%, almost half of the value were lost after I took profit. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's what we like to see, guys. It's not often that you can actually get the top of crypto, but when you do, you got to show everybody. I often don't catch the top, I'm going to be honest with you. But I do take profits in good areas. Like, it's not about, in crypto, it's not about taking the top. It's about, you know, actually taking profits. But gold at these all-time highs, guys, you can't really be... Like I said, if you're not in the free Telegram... Guys, if you're not in the free Telegram, make sure to enter... make sure to join the free Telegram. I did put a little post in there today about a little tip for anybody who's trying to trade this market right now at long. Obviously, longs are best, but you need a pullback. Longs are best, but you need to wait for a little pullback first. If anybody wants to join, there you go, guys. I'll put the link in twice for you. Yeah, trying to buy here, very, very risky in my opinion. You know, look, where are you buying into? That's the question you need to be asking. I do prefer buys down here. You know, for example, pull back, create a new range, push higher into the new highs that are created. Right now, there's no highs to trade into. That's the main strategy. The main concept to the strategy as well. You need clear targets, or you need targets to trade into. Sells, you've got targets. Sells, you've got targets. Like for example, these laws here, this double bottom here. But on buys, what have you got? Absolutely nothing. Without targets, there's no trading. It's as simple as that. As simple as it needs to be. And if you start longing here, if you start looking for longs here, for example, where are you gonna take profit? You've got nothing at all to trade into, and that's why gold's ranging now, because there's nothing for it to buy into. Why did we push? Why did we push like this before? Over 300 ticks. The reason we pushed 300 ticks is because we had this liquidity here to trade into. That was the liquidity that price needed to take, and look, when it took it, it flew. Right now, we need to wait for the same. In terms of longs, that is. For example, let's say gold does this. Pull back, get back above this level, then yeah, you've got this liquidity, and price can push into that liquidity. Okay? Look at that 30. See guys, we're seeing these candle patterns that we're seeing here. This 30 has taken prior candle low, closing bullish. But closing bullish into what? It's closing bullish into absolutely nothing. You've got nothing to the left to take. That's the only problem. Like, yeah, it's all good seeing this nice bullish candle taking liquidity. But when you've got nothing to the left to trade into, what's price likely to do? Reverse down. Take the liquidity to the downside. You know? We have to wait. Yeah, that's it, mate. Just have to wait. Stay patient. I thought I'd just come on for an hour, guys. See if anybody's got any questions regarding anything trading related. If they want me to have a look at any of the charts, we can do. Staying active on YouTube. On YouTube Live, all good. But yeah, it's all about waiting here. There's not much to really be looking at on gold. If anybody's got any other charts, let's have a look at the US 100. Yeah, US 100 is just ranging. That 15's disgusting. Got some decent liquidity to take to the downside. I think if the US 100 can get below here, 21,600 area, probably have a decent little sell-off. What's the 4 hourly zone? Yeah, it's a bit horrible PA, to be honest. But yeah, that was the cleanest move for me. I personally took either one of these moves here. Was very clean. This was the cleanest move for me. Look at that. Insane. Beautiful push. Did you have a good birthday? Yes, I did, Wes. Nice one, mate. Yeah, I had a good birthday. I do feel like I'm getting a little bit sick, though. But we move. But yeah, that was it. How was your weekend, Wes, mate? How was your weekend? Good stuff, I love it, guys. Anybody who, like I say, look at that. Aaron comes to the YouTube lives, turns up every day, stays consistent every day, tuning in. Look at that. Hi, Joe, just passed the 50k combine for the first time. You know? Thanks for your insights. We'll continue to express to make some dough. Insane. Like, just turning up every single day for the past 5 months. Obviously, you know, just being on the YouTube lives, it's going to take you more time because you haven't got the mentorship, you haven't got the one-to-one support like community members, but yeah, insane stuff. Maybe from the AC, yeah, possibly. I do tend to get that. But it is normally in like the first week. I've been here for like 3 months now, so I think I'm immune to it somehow. But yeah, I've got a 20-hour, 17-hour flight back in the next day or so. But yeah, maybe from the AC. For sure, maybe from the AC. But yeah, nothing to really say on gold, guys, other than if you've missed the move. If you've missed the move, look. Like, for example, I bought gold here, okay? If you've missed the move and you're looking to buy here, just wait. I always say, if you've missed the move, there's no point in entering. There's no need to enter if you've already missed the move, okay? So if you've missed the move and, you know, you've seen gold push all the way, just wait for a pullback like it always does. Look, pullback. Mini pullback here. Mini pullback here. Don't be looking to buy here. Wait for a pullback, let it get back above the level, and then look to buy there. All good, thanks, just rested. I have a clean week. Being patient. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, you gotta be patient, man. I want to have a clean week, but be patient. Yeah, 100%. Like last week I took like four trades. Normally I take like 10. 10 to 15. 1.5 a day. 1 to 2 per day I take. And last week I took 4. Obviously I was doing other things as well. Like, I was doing other things, but yeah, it was like half of what I normally take. And that was just because gold, if you look on the daily or the 4 hourly, gold was just at all-time highs most. Like, when it's pushing like this, when it was pushing like this without any significant pullbacks, you know, look, from Tuesday to like almost Thursday when it were ranging, there was not real much trading, and then Friday I took a trade. So I was only trading for like 2 or 3 days last week, waiting for gold to pull back some. And we're starting to get that now, which is good. Yeah, we're starting to get that now. One sec, guys, I'll check the comments in a minute. Give us 30 seconds. I just need to see if this... I just need to check the stream health before I carry on anymore. What airline and business class? Yeah, Qantas, and yes, I am. Wes. Yeah, Qantas. I'm with Qantas. Qatar, sorry. Yeah, Qatar. I went with them back from Thailand and it was good, so I'm using them again. Short, perfect. Yeah, there's no shorting at all for me. The only way I'd even look at shorts, and it would be like very, very low risk shorts, would be back below here. You know, I'm not really interested in shorts today. You know, like I say, I've already made 60 ticks. I've already made 60 ticks today. 60 ticks is like very good. 60 ticks a day, guys, is insane. So I've already made 60 ticks. If I do even want to look for shorts, it'll be back below this level. Because look what gold's done, like, every time. One sec, guys. Put my phone on charge really quick. Look what gold's done every time it came into this level. Resistance, support, support. Comes back into here. Bang, straight away, and you start selling now. Yeah. This level here, 28.98, is probably going to be the level to buy above as well. Because after we get the pullback that we want, you'd probably want to get back above here to start buying. Like I said, I'm not going to predict too much. I'll react, or I'll have a look what gold's showing at the time, the price action. But normally, when you break below your sell level and you start looking for sells, gold will tend to be, your buy level will be back above the sell. And that's what you'll probably find gold doing. From all-time high, nice. Where did you catch it? Gold's got many places it could start going long from. You know, you've got a level here, but I'm not looking for sells at all. Look at gold now reacting, pushing higher. You know, if you did catch sells from all-time high, nice. You've got like 40 ticks there, but too risky. Way too risky for me, that. Especially, is that a double top? Yeah, there's a double top there that needs taking too. Look at that. Bang. Probably going to get taken before pushing further down. Yeah, guys, you need to stay patient with gold. Stay patient with it. It's in one of them places at all-time highs. There's nothing really to be doing until you get a decent pullback. There's not. What's there to trade into other than probably the next 15 longs into this double top, half risk, potentially. If you've got a decent, because you're back above this level, kind of here. We'll see. I'm going to be watching this next 15. I do like a deeper pullback for sure. This double top's very likely to get taken as well. Look at that. 25 ticks. Let's see how this 15 closes. Out of sells, nice. How many ticks did you take? How many ticks did you take, Rav? Yeah, guys, it's going to be a short stream today. I'll probably stay on for another 20 minutes if anybody's got questions. Gold's in a place at the moment where you need to just be sitting on your hands. If this 15 closes bullish, I'll probably take a little half risk buy into this double top. You know, got back above this decent level here. The price is failing to close below. We'll see how this next 15 closes. Yeah, but I'm not entertaining shorts until we get below here. This is probably the range that I'm using, and we're back above it, so I'm looking for buys. Probably the best range that you've got for now. But I'm not rushing into anything. Like I said, we've already taken a W today. We'll see how this 15 closes, see if we can set some longs. But yeah, stay patient. Let's see how this 15 closes. If anybody's got any questions, wants me to check any other charts, let me know. I don't really want to stay on, try force anything, you know. But this 5 could flip as well. 5's confirmed. I'm not taking this, by the way, but you've got like 25 ticks into them highs, which is very likely to get taken. Yeah, I'm not in this, by the way. It's just a markup. Just off candle formation and rejection of this level. The way we formed at this level. Back to trendline liquidity. TP 9108. I don't know. One sec. Let me just take that off. Where's the trendline liquidity? Let's have a look. Yeah, you got some trendline there. Nice. Yeah, this will get taken at some point this week, probably. But I'm not really looking for sells. I'm not really interested in sells too much. I don't even really want to entertain sells today. If we close below here with some volume, then yeah, 28.98. Say sells below here. And I've been looking for buys above here into this double top now it's been created. Now this clear liquidity has been created here. You know, we've got clear liquidity targets here to buy into. So depending on how this 15 closes, depending on if I'll take longs, but it'll have to maintain back above this level that we've rejected from. You can see resistance acting as support now. I need to maintain above this level. This range, how big is this range? 40 tick range, not bad. We're going to see how this 15 closes though. I was on a different... Oh, okay, send it in the Discord, Rav. Yeah, I'll check it out now, bro. Let me take a look, bro. Ah, okay. Yeah, the trend... Yeah, I understand. Yeah, potentially. Potentially, that could get taken. Yeah. That 5 minute took liquidity, rejected the level and closed bullish. I'm not looking at the 5 minute though for entry. I'm looking at the 15. But yeah, you're right there, bro. I don't really use trend lines as targets. I use levels and liquidity as targets. But if you can find a way to make that work for you, nice. I personally just trade levels and liquidity. Nothing more. Yeah, but for me, sells below this level here, you can see resistance, support, support. And if you do get below there, you've got some decent targets here to take. I wouldn't be looking for a huge pullback. Probably tap partials here. Maybe let a little runner go. Push down further if it wants to. But I'm really interested to try and catch these longs in a minute. I need to maintain above this level. Try and catch that 20 ticks into them highs and then see if gold wants to push higher. But I'm reducing my risk to half risk today now. I've taken a win, taken 60 ticks. That's something I do as well. If I take a win, see if I take 60 ticks like I did today, I just reduce my risk to half. You know, reduce my risk to half. No need to give all them profits back. But yeah, let's wait on this 15 closure here, guys, in 5 minutes, okay? Like I said, we've not had a huge pullback, but it's enough because that double top. If there was no double top here, if this wasn't a double top, I wouldn't be looking to long. Because this isn't really a big enough pullback to entertain longs, you know. You've only had like a 40 tick pullback, but it's enough. But because of how we know gold loves to trade, for example, trading into and away from liquidity, I know that this double top, before I push down further, this is going to get taken. So if we get that strong close, taking liquidity, rejecting this level, and I've got 20 ticks into that double top before gold pushes even higher, it could push 50, 60 ticks, I'm going to take that, okay? So let's wait for this closure. We've taken liquidity. You know, we're above this level. This is like a confirmation play after the hourly closure above or 15-minute closure above, look. So you've got your closure. This will be like a confirmation above the level into the clear liquidity. If it doesn't close bullish, there'll be no entry. I'm out though. Onto the next setup. Just added confluence, defo, not for sure. Yeah, nice stuff, Rav. I'm watching this 15, guys. But yeah, let's watch this. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes till this close, and then we'll see. Good stuff though, Rav. Nice little Nice little trade there. Glad it played out for you. Yeah, this will need to close a lot more bullish. I need a nice bullish close here. You know, first management point, 15 ticks maybe. Then we can let gold run higher, maybe into. Well, like I said, I'm not gonna say how far gold's gonna push. Let it push as much as it wants to. But I'm not gonna predict that. I'm not predicting how far gold's gonna push. I really don't care how far gold's gonna push. All I care about is getting in, managing at my liquidity area, which is this double top here, and letting the rest run. If it wants to run 100 ticks, it can run 100 ticks. If it doesn't, so be it. But yeah, I think this Xauusd could flip. You know, rejected the level. But yeah, this is a clean little range we've got now. You know, sells below, buys above, we're above it, rejecting. Half risk longs are valid for me if we close bullish here. Here we go. How are we going to get that little pullback and long? What have we got? As soon as price comes into this double top, guys, I'll be taking my partial. Or I'll be managing at break even, letting the rest run. Like I say, I'm only using half risk on this trade. Because I've already taken a W today. But let's see. Yeah, I'm not really looking for shorts today. Shorts for me will be back below this level. I'll be looking to long. If we like I've already said as well, if we didn't have this double top here, I wouldn't be entertaining longs at this point. But because I know this double top needs to get taken before reversing down, it's worth half risk longs, confirmation entry. It's a confirmation entry above the level. Like I say, you broke above the range. You've got nice confirmation. You've got clear targets there. It's a confirmation trade into them highs before potentially it reverses down. And then if we can catch this trade into them highs, I'll be done for the session. And we'll move on to tomorrow, guys, where I'll jump on possibly for a live in the London session if I can, before my flight. But let's see if we can catch these longs now. Is it going to give me the entry? Like I say, it might not. Oh, here we go. Right, guys, I'm going to have a buy. I'm going to have a half risk buy stop on the break of the high if it breaks the high. So it's half risk. I'm only risking like 9 ticks here if it breaks the high. Okay? I'm just going to put it in now. Okay? And then my TP will be... So I've been flipped into this on futures. So I'm in profit on futures. Right. I've been flipped into this on futures, but not on the FX yet. And yeah, as soon as we come into these highs, I'll just go to break even, let the rest run. If it wants to run, that is. But let's see if it wants to flip or not. Like I say, half risk for me on this position. Half risk entry. And it's only because we've got the double top. It's only because the double top's there that I'm actually entertaining longs. And as soon as we come, possibly go break even soon, if we do come into these highs here. I do want gold to push though, this 5. We'll see. It's annoying because it's at 2 ticks in profit on futures. 6 ticks there. Right, guys, I'm gonna... Wow, futures is messing about here. Yeah, I'm my stops on the futures chart at 9 ticks, negative 9 ticks. Futures isn't really pushing though, which is annoying. Alright, guys, I'm going break even here. I'm going to go break even. Yeah, I'm going break even there. Bang. Yeah, I'm not taking an L on this trade. I'm up about 4 ticks on the futures, which is annoying because yeah, I'm out. Futures took me at break even, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm break even on this. If you're in this on any other chart, you need to be going break even. But yeah, beautiful entry there. For me, futures didn't really move. It's annoying because that's like a 20 tick trade there. But I'm not going to lie about it and say that I'm in the position. It's not what I do. Yeah, break even on that. Yeah, if you're in this, guys, make sure you're going break even, reducing the risk. Futures is being a little bugger there. I'll tell you about that. It just is. Futures is at break even now, which is annoying. Not flipping. Yeah, that was the entry though. It's annoying. That was like an 18 tick trade, but it was like it ran like 4 ticks on futures. It is what it is though. It's not bothering me. I'm up like 60 ticks for today. You're in. Does BE still have fees? No, not for me because I always put it 1 tick in profit. Oh, Ron, nice. Just passed another 50k. Beautiful stuff, bro. Yeah, futures is being. Yeah, there you go. TP hit there. I'd be at break even just letting the rest run anyway. But what an annoyance. Oh, now it's pushing. Futures is pushing now. Of course it does. What a trade that is. Beautiful. That is a beautiful trade. All broken down on the live. Guys, it doesn't get as in your like I've just showed everything that I was looking for in front of you, and we've just caught that in front of you. Like you can't. I can't give you anything else. Insane. Like I say, anybody looking to short here, you're crazy. There's no need to be looking for shorts here. Like, bang, you're out. It's annoying that futures messed me up there. You know, 35 ticks it's done me for, but whatever. I'm not gonna get mad about it. Yeah, it's pushing like it is now. Up like 25 ticks on futures. Wow, what a trade. What a trade. Yeah, breads, good stuff, guys. If you're in, good stuff though. Run on another 50k. That's why we don't look to back. That's why we don't look to sell below above levels. That's why we always wait for the range. That's why we don't have an ego in trading. That's why we don't have an ego. That's why we don't predict. That's why we react. What have I done here? I've reacted to this. Bang. Why are we profitable? Why have we got a 75% win rate, 80% win rate? Because of what I've just talked to you about. No ego at all. Zero ego. Zero attachment to trades. Patience. And what else do we have? We don't predict every move in the market. I couldn't care if gold wants to flop to the downside 900 ticks before it pushes up. I don't care about that. I'll catch it on the way down. I'll catch it on the way up. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to be trading again today. I've got things to do. I'm going to be traveling for the next one day. I'm just going to do the the live members Zoom call for the members. But yeah, breads, best of a trade. Nice one, bro. Beast of a trade. Yeah, nice one, Ron. Me done for the day. Analysis on point. Nice one. Congrats. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, analysis on point. That double top needed taking. I knew that it needed to get taken before we pushed down. You know, gold loves liquidity. We've rejected this level. Beautiful confirmation. A pity it took me at break even, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna force it now. It's annoying, but whatever. You're still in. Good. Make sure you're reducing your risk, taking your partials. Guys, let's drop a like if you've just taken that trade. Drop a like. We're on 13. Let's smash 2 more for 15. Look at that, though. Insane. What a push. 60 ticks just given there on live. 60 ticks. Bernick, how's it going? Yo, yes, Joe. How's it going, staff, bro? See, this is what I mean as well. Like, look at gold. If gold had liquidity targets above, like we've got now, it's going to push. But look what happened when it didn't have anything. Nothing. It's been sideways. Bread. Yeah, guys, get the W's in the chat. How's it going? And we're not, guys. We're not even started the week, and we're smashing it. Like I say, guys, let's smash it. That was a joke, by the way, guys. I never talk like that. I was doing an impression of a signal group, an ex TikTok dancers signal group. Oh, it's the start of the week, guys, and we're making this bread. It's cringy as anything. That was a joke. Can you explain why you entered in the trade? Yeah, of course I can, mate. Entry was quite simple for me. Rejected. We had a closure above this level. Look, this 15 closed above. Look what we did. We rejected this level, taking liquidity. Rejected the level, taking liquidity. We entered. After we swept this liquidity to the downside, closed bullish, bang, we entered here. Yeah, we've just capitalized on 60 ticks. And like Ron says, 60 ticks for free. $600 for free there. If you've taken the trades, you've just had $600 for free. Well, depending on what. If you traded FX or futures. But yeah, all for free, guys. And this is why I always say, don't trust, like, you can call me whatever you want. I don't care. You can say, oh, you charge. But guys, I prove myself day in, day out. I prove myself that the strategy works. I prove that I can trade. I prove everything. I prove payouts. I prove passes. Everything. And if your mentor's not doing that, run so far. Like half of these guys, like I already mentioned before, ex-TikTok dancers, ex-Love Island stars who start trading all of a sudden. All they want is your affiliate sign-up fees. All they want is that affiliate money. And that's what they're getting. But yeah, that's patience for you. It would have been break even the rest, but I would have taken most of my partials up here at least. 50 ticks, definitely I'd been taking partials. But yeah, bang, look at that. Buzzing. All given for free on YouTube Live. Insane. Futures was being a bugger. I'm going to be honest with you. Futures was being a bugger there. Gold chart pushed about 20 ticks. The futures chart pushed about 3. But yeah, nice work if you call that with me, guys. All the analysis was given out before. Guys, who took that trade? Guys, who entered that? Drop a comment if you got involved. Bernie, does that answer your question of how I entered the position? Do you understand that, bro? Yeah, the candles are aligned, to be fair. That is one positive, to be fair. That is one positive. How do you get around the futures bit? Sometimes it swings Rav, it swings and roundabouts. Marius, yes, good stuff, mate. Well, good stuff. Welcome to the stream too, bro. It swings and roundabouts. Like today, the futures chart smashed me. Mostly, yeah, like Ron says, the mostly perfect and in line, and the tick value is the same. But it swings and roundabouts. Like this trade here took me at break even and pushed 60 ticks on the FX chart. But this morning, the it was only like a 30 tick push, and it took me for like 60 ticks on futures. So it gave me an extra 30 ticks this morning. Today it gave me less 30 ticks. So it swings and roundabouts, and like I say, most of the time they're aligned, and most of the time the pip values are the same. But like I say, a couple of times in the week you'll get it where it's like this. Mostly they're fine. Yeah, mostly. Like I say, futures pay you out as well. So just put up with it. And if you take like 10 trades, it's like 50-50 where, you know, FX gives you more and then futures will give you more. So it swings and roundabouts. Just accept it that it might be a little bit different now and again. But it's like for me today, the futures chart gave me more ticks and more money than the FX chart would have given me. But now I've been taking break even, and it's got them back. That 30 ticks, which it took give me extra this morning, it's just taken that back. Yes, I understand, but did you look at the file? Yeah, 15-minute verdict. This were a 15-minute confirmation entry. Yeah, 15-minute I took this on, but it's flipped back down break even now. But it looks better on the 5, to be fair now. Are you looking at the TradingView gold? Yeah, I'm looking at the Xauusd XAU USD gold spot chart. The original stop would have never been hit on. Yeah, that's as well, Ron. I went break even. Because it pushed into these highs, and then it took me at break even on the futures chart, and then pushed on both. But if you had your original stop down here, which the stop was like, how many ticks was it? Like 15 ticks. It never would have been hit. Yeah, Ron, break even. I'm happy with a break even. I jumped on for an hour thinking I won't take any trades, and look, gold's set up beautifully. But that's the thing as well. The futures chart, and this is why I say it swings and roundabouts. Like I've already mentioned, the futures chart gave me 30 ticks extra. This morning I took a long and I got 30 ticks extra than the FX chart. And then today it's just taken that 30 ticks back, taking me at break even before pushing an extra 30 ticks. So it's not going to bother me at all. It's leveled itself out for today. But yeah, guys, I'm going to head off anyway. I've been on for an hour. Like I said, I've been on for an hour. Zoom members, Discord members. I will be active in the gold chat as soon as I get off live now. In about an hour or so, an hour or 2 hours, I will jump on for a members Zoom call. Okay, we'll do an hour strategy, maybe. An hour, 30-minute, 45-minute members Zoom call, asking questions, strategy. Guys, if you want to join the Discord community, learn the full strategy, the course videos, join the members chats, very, very active members chats. I've just put the link in there so you can get Discord community access. I put it in the chat 2 times. You check XAU on Xauusd and trade in futures? Yes, Jamie, I use the Xauusd chart to analyze, and I use futures prop firms, so I just execute on the futures chart. I don't even analyze, I don't take partials or anything. I don't look at the futures chart for any analysis, only this chart. If it passes through my targets here, I go break even on the futures, okay? And it is what it is. It swings and roundabouts with the pit value. Anyone still on YouTube chat, still on the fence of joining the Discord? Yeah. Anybody still on the fence? Oh, I need to put the break even, because I'm not gonna lie about the break evens. See guys, see, this is as transparent as it comes. I just bagged 60 ticks, and I'm calling this a. Oh, do I call it a break even, guys? What do I do? Do I call this a break even, or do I call it a win? What is it? Is it a win or a break even, guys? Tell me. I'll let you decide that. We've never had this on live before. We've never had this on live before. Is it a break even, or is this a W? I think it's like a 50-50. Smash me leg on table. I'll let you decide. For me, if this was on any other account, it would have been a W. It would have been a win, but it's a break even on my futures chart. But everyone caught a win, from what I see. Let me ask the Discord community who caught the long. Caught over 200 ticks today. Saf, welcome. Great Monday, bro. Send some of them in the Discord community. Some of your wins, bro. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's see some of your wins in the community, bro. Do. But yeah, that was a decent little W there. Aaron W, if you made profit, it's a win. Yeah, I know. With the 20-second probably W for the chat. Yeah, it is, to be fair. Right, what we'll do. We won't. Do you know what? That's a free one for you. We're not even going to put it in the record. Kev, 25 ticks. Nice. Full close T. Guys, everyone took a W except me. Right, I'm putting it as a W. Ron took a W. Jamie did. Aaron did. Kev took a W in the community too. Oh, we're gonna put it as a break even. I'll just leave it. We'll just leave that as a nothing. We'll write that trade off. But yeah, it's not a break even. It's not a win. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna head off, guys. Community members, I'll see you in the community. If you want to join, the link's there to join. I'll see you tomorrow, maybe for a London session YouTube live. Just waiting for the Express account to materialize. When do Top Step take the activation charge? Have you had the confirmation that you've passed, Aaron? It should be instant. When you get the email that you've passed, you should be able to do it. Did you just pass today, or have you already passed and are you waiting? Yeah, what stage are you in? Have you just passed? If you've just passed today, wait till the end of the day. But yeah, guys, community members, I'll see you in the community now. And yeah, YouTube fam, I'll see you on the YouTube London session tomorrow, potentially. Okay? Peace.